Hey there, science fans! Have you ever stopped to think about what your brain is made of? It's not just gray matter, you know. Your brain needs a whole bunch of nutrients to stay powered up and ready for anything. The brain is mostly fat, and that's a good thing. These fats help build brain cells and keep everything running smoothly. We also have proteins in our brains. These are like the building blocks of brain cells. And don't forget about the tiny but mighty micronutrients. These vitamins and minerals keep our brains healthy and strong. The brain is like a supercomputer, constantly processing information, controlling our movements, and keeping our bodies in tip-top shape. But just like any complex machine, it needs the right fuel to function at its best. That's where food comes in. What we eat directly affects how our brains work, from our ability to focus and learn to our mood and memory. Think of it this way. If you put low-quality fuel in a race car, it's not going to perform very well, right? The same goes for our brains. Let's talk about fats. Not all fats are created equal. Omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids are the superstars of the brain world. They're like the VIPs that get into every brain cell party. Why are they so important? Well, they help build those brain cell membranes I mentioned earlier. That means they help our brains send messages faster and more efficiently. Plus, they've been linked to protecting our brains from age-related decline. Where do we find these brain-boosting fats? They're hiding in foods like salmon, walnuts, flax seeds, and chia seeds. So next time you're grocery shopping, remember to stock up on these brainy snacks. But hold on, not all fats are good for our brains. Trans fats and too many saturated fats are like party crashers for our brain cells. They can actually damage our brains and make it harder for them to function properly. Now let's talk about amino acids. These are the building blocks of proteins, and they play a crucial role in brain health. Amino acids are essential for producing neurotransmitters, which are like the brain's chemical messengers. Neurotransmitters like dopamine and serotonin help regulate our mood, sleep, and even our appetite. Micronutrients are like the unsung heroes of brain health. We need them in smaller amounts, but they're still super important. Vitamins like B6, B12, and folate are essential for brain development and function. And don't forget about antioxidants. These powerful nutrients protect our brains from damage caused by free radicals. Think of them as little superheroes fighting off villains in your brain. We can find these brain-boosting micronutrients in colorful fruits and vegetables, nuts, seeds, and lean proteins. The brain is a hungry organ. Even though it only makes up about 2% of our body weight, it uses a whopping 20% of our daily energy. Where does the brain get all this energy? Glucose. Our brains run on glucose, which comes from the carbohydrates we eat. But here's the catch. Not all carbohydrates are created equal. Simple carbohydrates, like those found in sugary drinks and processed foods, cause rapid spikes and crashes in our blood sugar levels. These fluctuations can leave us feeling tired, sluggish, and unable to concentrate. On the other hand, complex carbohydrates like those found in whole grains, fruits, and vegetables provide a slow and steady release of glucose, keeping our brains fueled and focused throughout the day. So there you have it. Remember, what you eat directly affects your brain health. By making smart food choices and fueling our brains with the nutrients they need, we can boost our mood, improve our memory, and unlock our full potential. Stay curious and keep those brains healthy.